Alright, GoPro. This is a Rode lav mic. I spent $89 on it. Really hoping that this would help to improve my audio recording. But my first attempt using it, oh, excuse my eyes. My first attempt using it did not work out well. I had it in the same position as my previous lav mic, tucked up in the cheek pad, and well, it sounded absolute rubbish, to be honest. So basically, I thought I'd just try and tuck it up just inside the cheek pad here. I don't know how much luck I'm going to have or whether or not it'll just fall out. But my first attempt using this mic was not great. It got blown out by just feedback. So I threw the deadcat on it because I was just using the standard microphone, and hopefully that will work out okay. Are we on? Yes, we're recording. This is all entirely experimental, of course, and I know that the microphone will hear me just fine. I know ultimately the problem with my motovlogging setup has been relying on my smartphone to do the recording, and it's not equipped to handle this level of noise. I actually tried. I spent $200 on an audio recorder and the external mic input didn't work. So we're going to hit this gravel road because, you know, it's nice and slow going. And at least I know I'll get some measure of usable audio out of it. Bit of dead cat fluff up in my face. I'm just literally stopped in the middle of the road here because I need to go. That's pretty bad. What does that mean? I'm not trying to win any races on gravel. I just try and take it nice and slowly. I mean, we're doing 30 k's an hour right now. That's fine for me. That's fine for the microphone too, I'm sure, because there's not really enough wind to make a real problem. Real point in this video. I've already thrown away bunch of the footage because, as I say, this isn't the first time I've tried to use this microphone. It's just so unbelievably rubbish that there's no point in even trying. The trouble was that tucked away inside the cheek pad like I had been using, which I had reasonable results with the other mic. The buffeting from the wind just blew out everything, and I think part and parcel of that is normally I have my microphone wrapped up in a bit of cloth to help buffer that, and today I just would first I would try the dead cat and see how we go, and then
expecting to throw away this footage, so I'm not even really trying to be interesting.